Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would share with you the multiple job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And before we move ahead, I would like to share with you a very important thing. So today, a very good and a very positive thing has happened. That is, uh, one of our subscriber, she has got a job opportunity and she has joined as well, and she has got a work from home remote testing job. So many of you might be feeling that are there work from home remote jobs available? So the answer is yes. Those kind of job opportunities are there. So if you want to see how did she got this opportunity, she's a mother of a toddler. So she's balancing the uh, personal things with the professional with her career as well. So s- keeping a balance between both the things is very important, and you can watch the today's YouTube video. It will definitely inspire you, it will motivate you. At the same time, if you are looking for any kind of career guidance, feel free to connect with us via Topmate, and would be happy to assist you. So let me share the job opportunities with you meanwhile. And there are multiple job opportunities. So let me share them right away. And apart from that, apart from this particular video, we have started a new series with respect to the work from home, with respect to the fresher jobs, experience jobs, and we would be posting the job opportunities videos at 8:30 p.m. IST as well. So please note down that time. We would be posting the video at 8:30 p.m. IST as well. So we have started from yesterday, and it would be continued till the time we get your love and support, right? So feel free to like, share, and subscribe the channel, because that's the important thing that will assist us, that will help us. Okay, now let's start with the today's job opportunity. So first job opportunity is with respect to Boeing India. So they are looking for performance test automation developer to join the product support and services mobility and innovation team. So there are different responsibilities that they are looking for. Is they are looking for someone who can do automation, someone who can do in-house software applications testing. Okay, so here is a link. I'll put all these links in the first comment of the video. So automation testing jobs in Bangalore. So this is a JavaScript requirement with automation, and it is a Bangalore based job. Okay, then there's a requirement in CGI company. They are looking for talented and motivated professionals to join the client focus team. So this is the referral email address. I'll also share with you the different positions. So there's a new referral email address. Yesterday also we shared one of the referral email address with you. Then this is one of the senior mobile QA engineer job opportunity. Here is the salary, and these are the CV details. You need to share your CV at info@finex.com with the subject line QA Dubai. Okay, then Convo Site Analytics is hiring QA engineer work from home. It's 3 to 6 years. So 3 to 5 years of experience in software QA is required. Someone who should be fast learner, who can get inside the product's mind and test like a real user is what they are looking for. And you have to do a regression testing, and the release would be happening by 6 p.m. It's a work from home QA job. Okay, manual automation both. Then MaxLink is hiring for passionate and talented professionals, and they are looking for QA engineers, manual testers, 0 to 1 years. Location is Vadodara. Shift timings is day shift. .NET developer, 0 to 2 years. Front-end developer, so experience required is fresher candidates only. No experience required, and you can apply at this particular email address, and there's the contact details. And here is the website. I'll be putting all these links in the first comment. Don't worry. Then there's a requirement with respect to Mind Inventory Company. They are hiring for Merns tech developers, Node.js developers, Python developers, technical heads, DevOps engineers, business development and recruitment, technical content recruiter, writers. So this is the location, Ahmedabad, and here is the email address. CGI is hiring for multiple roles. Again, the same roles of the testing that I showed you yesterday: Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, and this is the referral email address. So, this is again a referral from the CGI company. So, immediate joiners or serving notice period will be preferred. Multiple immediate openings across development, testing, cloud, data, and support, and other roles. Right. So, how you can apply? So, you have to you have to upload your CV to the careers page. Okay, select yes for the referral option and enter this particular email address as the referral contact. Then UST is hiring for automation testing professionals, and the skill set is Java, Selenium, API testing, REST assured, microservices, Kafka. Experience required is 6 to 14 years. Notice period is immediate to 90 days. Location is Trivandrum. So if you're interested, you can send your updated resume with the subject line automation testing, okay, to this particular email address, along with the details, total experience, relevant experience, notice periods, current CTC, expected CTC, current location, preferred location, all of these things you can share. Then there's a requirement for technical project manager, business developer. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, and this is the email address wherein you can share your CV. They require manual testing only, no automation. So this is the first kind of a job that I've seen in so many days, wherein they are dedicated looking for just manual testing. Okay, no automation needed as of now. So this is purely manual testing job, and this is the email address. Then there's a requirement for SDIT or automation engineer, and the location is Noida, sector 62. Notice period is immediate to 15 days. And what you will be doing is you'll be building and maintaining automation frameworks using Selenium, Playwright, Java, Python, and you should have 5 to 10 years of experience in automation, strong coding skills in Java, Python, expertise in Selenium and Playwright, solid experience with API testing, database, CI/CD, Docker, and you can apply here. Then there is a requirement for senior automation tester to join the Sonata software. And if you're passionate about test automation, quality engineering, and tackling complex challenges, so this is for you. So you can send your resume to this particular email address. Okay. So these are the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And we shared with you the work from home, the remote jobs as well, wherein you can apply and you can get shortlisted. Right now, let me share some more jobs with you. So there is this company, Smart, which is hiring for software testers, and they are looking for someone who has minimum 2+ years of experience in software testing, good at using AI tools for fast delivery, familiarity with agile development practices, experience in reviewing requirements and developing test cases, experience in web and API testing. So all of these things are required, and you can share your resume at this particular email address. Now, let me also show you the CGI company related details. Most of you would be interested. So those today we have got in this particular format. Let me try to zoom it. Okay. So these are all the openings in CGI company, and these are all critical openings. So they are looking for immediate joiners. So you can see senior software engineers, software engineer. Then you have roles for Hyderabad. At the top, you have roles for Bangalore-based location. Okay, this is for Hyderabad and this for Chennai. So more details you'll be able to see on the website, but these are the job IDs, role titles, core skills, and experience, right? Yesterday also we shared with you the testing details. What are the different testing job opportunities that they have? So all of those details you can apply today and get shortlisted for the interviews, right? If you need any kind of assistance, any kind of support, feel free to book a call on the top mate for the same, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.